Ergochair ERGO-RS Fully Adjustable Mechanics Creeper Seat. The Ergochair ERGO-RS is a revolutionary mechanics creeper seat designed to maximize comfort and efficiency for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a sleek and robust design, this seat stands out for its exceptional functionality and ergonomic features. The ERGO-RS is fully adjustable, offering a height range of 14 to 21 inches, ensuring optimal posture for tasks requiring precision and focus. It features a padded seat and backrest made from high-density foam, covered in durable, easy-to-clean vinyl. This combination provides all-day comfort while resisting wear and tear. One of its key highlights is the 360-degree swivel functionality, allowing effortless mobility without straining your body. The heavy-duty steel frame construction supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring stability and durability even in the toughest garage conditions. For added convenience, the Ergochair comes equipped with integrated tool trays and compartments. These trays keep your essential tools within arm's reach, reducing unnecessary trips to the toolbox. The smooth rolling casters are made from industrial-grade materials, allowing seamless movement across various surfaces, whether on concrete or tiled floors. What truly sets the ERGO-RS apart is its focus on user health. The ergonomic design minimizes back strain and improves posture, making it ideal for extended use. Additionally, its compact design allows for easy storage, fitting neatly into your workspace. Whether you're a professional mechanic, DIY enthusiast, or hobbyist, the Ergochair ERGO-RS is a must-have. It combines comfort, functionality, and durability, empowering you to work smarter, not harder. Upgrade your workshop experience with the Ergochair ERGO-RS, where innovation meets practicality. TECO EVEREST is a revolutionary product designed to redefine efficiency, durability, and performance in its category. Manufactured by TECO, a globally recognized leader in innovative technologies, the Everest stands out as a high-performance solution tailored for both industrial and commercial applications. At its core, the TECO EVEREST boasts cutting-edge engineering with an emphasis on energy efficiency. Its advanced motor systems deliver exceptional power, while minimizing energy consumption, making it an eco-friendly choice for businesses committed to sustainability. The Everest design incorporates precision-built components, ensuring superior performance even in demanding environments. One of its standout features is its intelligent control system, which allows users to customize settings for optimal operation. With real-time monitoring capabilities, the system provides valuable insights into performance metrics, helping reduce downtime and improve productivity. Additionally, the TECO EVEREST integrates seamlessly with IoT platforms, enabling remote management and diagnostics through connected devices. Durability is a hallmark of the TECO EVEREST. Its robust construction is crafted to withstand harsh conditions, from extreme temperatures to high-pressure environments. This reliability ensures consistent operation, reducing the need for frequent maintenance or replacements. The TECO EVEREST is not just about performance, it's also about safety. It comes equipped with multiple protective features, such as overload protection, thermal safeguards, and secure locking mechanisms, ensuring the safety of both the equipment and its operators. In summary, the TECO EVEREST exemplifies innovation, efficiency, and reliability. It's an investment in advanced technology designed to elevate industrial and commercial operations to new heights. Choose TECO EVEREST, the pinnacle of performance and sustainability. Welcome to Tower 5 Connect, the future of connectivity and collaboration. This innovative platform is designed to revolutionize the way you work, communicate, and stay connected. Whether you're in a bustling office, working remotely, or on the move, Tower 5 Connect ensures seamless interaction with your team, clients, and resources. At its core, Tower 5 Connect combines state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly functionality. It offers real-time video conferencing, instant messaging, and file sharing capabilities, all on a single, secure platform. Its intuitive design means you can easily navigate through features, reducing the learning curve and boosting productivity. But that's not all. Tower 5 Connect is powered by advanced AI, providing smart suggestions, automated scheduling, and data-driven insights to optimize your workflow. Need to host a global meeting? The platform supports Ultra HD streaming and translation in over 20 languages, bridging communication gaps effortlessly. Security is a top priority with Tower 5 Connect. End-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication, and compliance with global data protection standards ensure your information is always safe. Perfect for businesses of any size, Tower 5 Connect is your partner for growth, collaboration, and innovation. Connect smarter, work better, and achieve more with Tower 5 Connect, where technology meets simplicity. Tower 5 Connect, building bridges in a digital world. Looking for the perfect balance between power and convenience in a pressure washer? Meet the Grand Falls Pressure Washer G20, a versatile tool designed to tackle everything from light home cleaning to heavy-duty outdoor tasks. With a 2000 psi water pressure and 1.85 GPM flow rate, the G20 effortlessly removes dirt, grime, and stubborn stains from patios, driveways, cars, and more. Its adjustable spray nozzle allows you to switch between a gentle mist and a high-powered jet with a simple twist, making it adaptable to any cleaning challenge. The G20 features a durable metal frame with an ergonomic design, ensuring stability and ease of use. Its compact, lightweight build and integrated wheels make it highly portable, so you can move it around with minimal effort. Plus, the 25-foot high-pressure hose and 35-foot power cord offer an extended reach for cleaning hard-to-access areas. Safety and efficiency are key. Equipped with an automatic total stop system, the G20 shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, reducing energy consumption and extending the pump's lifespan. The built-in detergent tank lets you add cleaning agents for an even deeper clean, perfect for washing vehicles or outdoor furniture. Maintaining the G20 is simple, with its quick connect fittings and a detachable water filter that prevents debris from entering the system. Built to last, it's constructed with premium materials to withstand frequent use. For those who value performance, portability, and reliability, the Grand Falls Pressure Washer G20 is your ultimate cleaning companion. Power through any cleaning task effortlessly and effectively. Take control of your cleaning routine with the Grand Falls Pressure Washer G20, built for power, precision, and ease. Introducing the Up and Down 3000, the groundbreaking innovation designed to redefine vertical mobility. Whether you're tackling home renovations, working in warehouses, or seeking a mobility aid for challenging spaces, the Up and Down 3000 is your perfect partner. Engineered with precision, this advanced lift system combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek, compact design. Its powerful motor ensures a seamless, quiet, and efficient lift experience, capable of handling up to 300 kilograms with ease. The state-of-the-art control panel offers intuitive operation, making it user-friendly for all ages. Safety is a top priority. The Up and Down 3000 features anti-slip surfaces, an automatic brake system, and emergency stop functionality, ensuring total peace of mind. Its rugged construction guarantees durability, while the compact footprint saves space, making it ideal for homes, offices, and industrial environments alike. But the Up and Down 3000 is more than just practical. With its sleek design and customizable finishes, it integrates seamlessly into any setting, blending function with style. Plus, its eco-friendly, energy-efficient motor minimizes power consumption, so you can elevate your space while reducing your environmental impact. Need versatility? The Up and Down 3000 adapts effortlessly. Its adjustable height range and optional remote control make it perfect for a wide array of applications. From lifting goods to aiding mobility, this machine has got you covered. Don't just move, elevate your lifestyle with the Up and Down 3000. Experience innovation, safety, and style in one exceptional device. Choose the Up and Down 3000 today and transform how you move, up and down. Up and Down 3000. Precision, power, progress. Duobond RLEs is the ultimate adhesive solution designed to simplify and enhance your bonding projects. Whether you're tackling intricate DIY crafts or managing professional repairs, RLEs delivers exceptional performance with ease. At its core, Duobond RLEs features a dual-component formula, combining strength and versatility in one seamless application. It works on a variety of surfaces: metal, wood, plastic, glass, and even ceramic, ensuring a firm, reliable bond every time. Its fast-curing technology sets in just minutes, saving you time without compromising quality. What sets RLEs apart is its user-friendly applicator. The precision nozzle ensures clean, mess-free application, making it perfect for detailed work or hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the formula is non-toxic, ensuring safety during use. RLEs is not just strong, it's also durable. It resists water, heat, and impact, ensuring long-lasting results even in challenging conditions. Ideal for indoor and outdoor projects, it's a go-to for professionals and hobbyists alike. Choose DuoBond RLEs for a dependable, hassle-free adhesive solution. Elevate your projects, save time, and achieve outstanding results every time.